So next section is that after successful login, then see here. So here we pass this the nil and the 1 2 3 4. After successful this login, then see here in dashboard. So here we want the welcome to. Here we need to this the username. So instead of this admin, we want the username, that is the nil. Okay. So for that reason, we use the session concept. So students, your session concept is must be clear. If not, then I also mentioned the one link in that description. So rewind this video again. Okay. So we set the session. So again we are going to this bracket editor, going to this login.php file. So after successful login, so here we use the session. So see here we start the session. So we again copy this code here. So we start the session underscore start. Okay, save these changes. Session underscore start. Okay, so after successful login, here we use the $_session. Okay, so we store the username in this session. So value is that the username or the DB username. Both the values are the same. Use the any one. Then we save the first name, last name, and the user role. Okay, first name, last name, and the role. So this is the user underscore first name. Okay, this is the user underscore last name, user underscore role. So we stored all these values in this session. Now we need to retrieve these value in this admin index.php file. So this is the admin index.php file, this one. So we are in admin section. So in this admin, we open this index.php file. Okay, so see here, this is the welcome to admin message. So here again we start the session. So here php session underscore start. Okay, so we start the session in admin header file. So we move this code into the admin header file here. Here we start the session. Okay, save these changes. Again we are in index.php file. Now here welcome to admin. So instead of this author, we use the one code, and here we print the session. Okay, and pass here the username. Save these changes. Okay, again we are in login page. So after successful login 1 2 3 4, so first we refresh this page. Now nil 1 2 3 4 login. See here, welcome to admin nil. This is the username. You can also use your username instead of this admin. So just here you are going to this here welcome to, and this script is replaced instead of this admin word. Okay, so use anywhere where you want. Okay, so save these changes. Now we check that the user role is admin or the subscriber. If it is admin, then it is redirected to the admin home page. Okay, so we test inside this admin header.php file. So this one, admin header dot php file. Okay, so inside this we add the one code. Here we add the one php script. Okay, so here we check that if each set the session role value. If it is not set the user role, then you are redirected to the index.php file. So see here, location colon, you are redirected to the index.php file. Okay, else means that it is a set. So session role is the set. So check here, it is a admin. So we copy this code here. So if your role is that the admin, then if your role is not admin, means that it's a subscriber, then again you redirected to this index.php code. Okay, means you are redirected to the index.php file by 2 times if the session doesn't set the role value or if the user role is not equal to admin. Both time they are going to this user index.php file. Okay, so test this code here. So see here, this is the one error, unexpected bracket. Okay, so here there is one more bracket needed. So save these changes. Fatal error, cannot use the each set. Here there is no need to use the each set function. Directly use the if the role is not equal to admin. Okay, so save these changes. Now we test this code. So again we are going to this user index.php file, this one. Okay, so here we test this nil user role is that the admin and the SAM user role is that the subscriber. So first we test the nil 1 2 3 4. So refresh this code. See here, nil 1 2 3 4 login, then you are in admin index.php file. Okay, so again going to this home site. Now your username is that the SAM and the 1 2 3. Then see here, so this user has the role subscriber. So SAM and the 1 2 3 login. So you are in user index.php file. Okay, so here we finish this the login section. So if your username and the password both are the valid plus your the user role is that the admin, then you are redirected to the admin index.php file. Otherwise you are still in this the user index.php file. Okay, so there is one little task, that is the logout. So we finish this one and then we stop this video. So we need to log out this the current user which are already logged in. So again open this the index.php file. See here, so if you are going to this admin section, so see here again, if this if you are clicking on this admin, then again you are in index.php file. You are not going to this the admin index.php file till here you not entering the valid username and password and role is that the admin. Okay, so see here, if you are click on this logout, then here you are going to this user index.php and here we clear or the set the null values to the all the session variables. Okay, so here we going to this admin navigation.php file, this one admin navigation.php file. Okay, so here we find the logout link, this one. Okay, So if you click on this logout, then you are call the includes. So here you are going to this parent directory, okay, then includes, then here we add the logout.php file. So this one here we add include the logout.php file. So for testing purpose, here we call the one echo message in PHP. Okay, so for example, in, save these changes. Okay, so here admin navigation.php, here we set the one path to this logout. So save these changes. Now we run this again, the index.php file, user section. So after login 1 2 3 4, okay, so if you click on this logout, see here, call this logout.php file. Now in this file logout.php file, here we add the some code. Again here we start the one PHP script and the start your the session start, and here we set session, we set the username equal to null. Same here, first name, last name, and the user role, we set all the values to the null. Okay, and you redirect to the location, you redirect to the index.php file, save these changes. So again we test this code, call the index.php file. Okay, now here we refresh this code. So see here, Neil 1 2 3 4, you are login successfully. So this is your the admin dashboard. Okay, so see, I think there is one error here, admin error. So line number 11. So first we find that error, line number 11, admin header.php. So first we fix out this error, admin header.php, line number 11. So this one, session role is not equal to, sorry here, is not equal to admin. Save these changes. Okay, okay, fine. So again we test this, the index.php file. So again we refresh this code, Neil 1 2 3 4, login. Okay, fine, welcome to admin Neil. So if you click on this logout, so here we complete this is the login and the logout section successfully. So students, test this code on your machine. So if you have any queries or any problems, then comment on the query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you. Bye bye.